front of me is Motorola Moto 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and click Home button. Then select Device Settings and click on Apps. Following that, choose Default Apps and pick one of those options. I want to change my browser, so I have to go into Browser App section, tap on Opera Mini and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!